If two atoms, carbon or any two atoms has single bond, then it is sigma. If any two atoms have double bond, it is first one is sigma, second one is pi. If any two atoms has three bonds or triple bond, the first will be sigma and the other two will be pi. Based on this concept, let's start assigning the sigma and pi to the given examples. This is single bond, this is sigma. This is single bond, this is sigma. This is single bond, sigma. Again, all these are single bonds, so I will assign sigma. When you come to this carbon-carbon double bond, the first one will be sigma, the second one will be pi. This one single, again this one single, so all single bonds are sigma. Now let's assign in the benzene, the first carbon, the outer carbon-carbon bonds is sigma because that is a single bond, so all are sigma, correct? All these carbon-carbon bonds are sigma. The inner bond, this is pi, and this is pi. Let's move towards the hydrogen of benzene. All these bonds are single bonds, so all these bonds are sigma.